Hi, my best friends. Welcome to Psycho Says. Many often ask, what makes a woman fall in love with a man? What leads a woman to deeply fall in love with a man? What are the qualities that make a man desirable? What impresses women about you? How women fall in love is frequently a mystery to men, and men frequently don't know how they pick their partners. Okay, best friend, you don't need to be confused. You will get answers to all your confusion, anxiety, and curiosity. These are 8 things to make a girl fall in love with you. You are my best friend. Support this channel to grow and greet you by pressing the like, subscribe, and good comments button. Have you subscribed? If so, let's continue. 1. Be honest. You need to be honest about your life and actions to make yourself desirable. Honesty is what makes a woman fall in love with a man. Because if you lie or hide something, it will only torture and burden your mind forever. A woman finds honesty very attractive. Try to tell the truth to her without hiding anything. For example, if you are struggling with something or have dated women in the past, tell her. She will not judge you for your mistakes or past experiences. Instead, will be happy that you have opened your vulnerable side to her. It proves that you are sincere and try everything seriously. 2. Give women respect. If you want, get her love, treat her well, and respect her. Women usually love men who have a strong sense of love and respect for their female relatives. For them, if you treat your other female relatives well, you will also treat her well. So, treat your sisters or your mother or any other woman relative in your family with respect. Your crush will surely fall for you. 3. Accept her with her flaws. Try to accept her flaws alongside her good qualities, because a woman also has her own flaws, just like you. Don't focuses on a woman's flaws and tries to change these. Remember, no human is perfect and according to your wishes. Accepting individuality is what makes a woman fall in love with a man. 4. Be thoughtful and intelligent. As per a study, women emphasize the intelligence of the man while choosing their partner. Show her that you are intelligent and thoughtful. Most women find an intelligent man hot and desirable. She will surely love your geeky side and thoughtful nature. 5. Show your financial stability to her. If you are financially stable, she will understand that you can share the load of rearing a family in the future alongside her. For example, while on dates, dress properly and try to pay the bill once in a while. Modern research still proves that most people prefer financially stable partners with good socioeconomic status for long-term relationships. 6. Let her know you want to be her partner in life. You can't show her that you are serious about having a future with her. Meet with her friends and family members and include her in your family occasions. Make time to make some future plans, however small that might seem. Make future trip plans or plans for buying a house with her. She will see that you are sincere, committed to the relationship, and want her to be your lifelong partner. 7. You should treat her equally in a relationship. Show her that you value her as an equal. Don't condescend. Be proud of her career achievements and her life choices. A woman needs to know that in addition to being her lover and partner, be proud of her being your partner and publicly display your pride in having her as your queen. 8. Occasionally surprise her. By giving a surprise, she will be moved and feel loved. For example, you can send her sweet messages and wish her good morning every day, even if you two are busy and living apart. Or make time for surprise visits at the end of the day with flowers, or plan surprise dates with her. You can also throw her surprise parties on special occasions. She will feel that she is the love of your life, and you are always trying to make her happy, she will definitely feel like the luckiest girl in the world. Conclusion: if you want your crush to fall in love, show your best personality to her. They desire a sincere, family-oriented, honest, trustworthy, and respectful man. Women do not like men who can fake things. Hence, face her with honesty and your love to make her fall in love with you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.